Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and also tell you how you can add another account in the Snapchat app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes, write comments under this video. And let us get started with you. So friends, first of course you will need to open the Snapchat app. Next, navigate to your account. After that, at the top, click on the gear. Then scroll to the very bottom. And at the very bottom, select the option to log out. Confirm your action. And after logging out, if you already have an additional Snapchat account but you haven't logged into it yet, let's say from your device, then you'll need to click right here. Add another account. And then you'll need to enter your username, email, or phone number to which the additional account is linked, as well as the password to it, and click Sign In. If you don't have an additional account, then you will need to click Create on the bottom left-hand side. And then start creating your Snapchat account. Enter your email, then enter your username, your details, then make yourself an emoji and then your Snapchat account. Emoji and then your account will be created. Also, if you want to switch between one account and another account, you'll also need to go to the Sign Out section and sign out of your first account. And on a page like this, friends, you'll have a few circles like this, like mine, with a picture and a username. You'll just have to swipe from side to side to pick the one that suits you, that you want to log in from. Then click Log In and you'll be switched to the account you want. That's how you can add another account in the Snapchat app, friends. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you soon.